Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get these rewards. In Heartopia, you can get 20 wishing stars, 2 roaming oak timbers, 60 moonlight crystals, 2 flawless fluorites, and 18 time limited exhibition passes. So you'll need a minimum of 5 people in your team, including yourself. You cannot change teams once you're in a team. The only one who can change a team is like if there's nobody on their team and they're the team leader. So keep that in mind. I'm just going to start inviting people. So press invite now, and then there should be like a link you can like copy, and I'm just going to share it, and I'm going to invite people in my team. And once I reach 5 people, I'm just going to press the create team and I'll get the rewards, and I'll be back. Once your team is full, you'll get this notification. Just refresh your page if you didn't get it. Then press OK and you'll claim it in game. So I'm just going to go to the actual game to claim it. Also, if you go to the game, you're able to find the website in this team up area, which I've done that. So I'm just going to go to my mailbox to claim the rewards that I got from that website. So I'm just going to claim this as well, this and that. And that is it, you guys, for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!